Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out the Foreo Luna Mini 2 facial cleansing device, as well as showing you guys a quick get ready with me at the end of the video. So I hope you guys do enjoy. So I'm first going to start off by wetting my hands as well as my face. This is going to help my face wash foam up very well. And I'm just going to now put some of my face wash onto my Luna Mini 2 device. Now I'm going to switch on my device, and I love how you can control the intensity. You can either turn it up to increase the pulsing, or you can decrease it to decrease the pulsing, of course. And I'm just going to be massaging this all over my face in a circular motion for about 60 seconds, not too long. What I love about this device is that it is silicone, so it's amazing for people with acne prone skin as well as problematic skin because it doesn't harbor any bacteria. After having thoroughly gone all over my face, I'm now going to rinse off my face wash. All fresh and clean, now I'm going to moisturize my face and we can jump into the tutorial. Okay guys, so I just finished my facial cleansing routine and now I'm moving on to makeup. I've already done my brows off camera as well as my transition color. I did go in with Pookie on this palette, or Pookie. This is the Jacqueline Hill palette, which is part of the Morphe collection. I absolutely love this palette. I adore it. The next shade I'm going to be going in with on this palette is Enchanted, which is like a deep olivey kind of green. It's this one down here, and I'm going to be using a very small defined brush because I am trying to do like a halo eye. So I'm going to focus this dark shade on the outer and inner corners of my lids like so. Now I'm going to use the same brush that I was using for my transition color, and I'm going to go in with Hillstar, which is more of like a burgundy-ish color, and I'm just gonna use that to blend out the green. Then I'm gonna repeat the same process on my left eye. So now I'm gonna take my next brush. This is the number 14 dome shaped flat brush, and I'm just gonna wet it with some setting spray, my MAC setting spray, and this just helps make the color a little bit more intense and foily. And I'm going to go in with Meeks, which is this bronze gold color over here, and I'm just going to apply this onto the center of my lid. I'm first going to start off by drawing a bit of a half center cut crease, and then I'm going to blend it downwards in the center like so. And I'm going to go in with the same color I was using for the dark, the same brush I was using for this dark color, just to blend in the gold with the green a bit. So now I'm going to move on to my face. So I'm going to be priming my face with the Benefit Porefessional Pore Primer. I absolutely love this primer. It's amazing for us people with oily skin. I'm just going to be using this foundation brush just to blend this all over my face. And then now I'm going to be going into foundation. I'm going to be using my two current favorite foundations. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place, as well as the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Wear Foundation. And I just go in with about one pump of each. Oh, that's runny. So now I'm going to move on to highlighting, and I'm going to be using my LA Girl HD Pro concealers. I'm going to be using the shade Medium Beige as well as Cool Tan. I'm obsessed with this beauty blender, guys. Now I'm going to set my highlight with my Mercier loose translucent powder. You guys know this is my absolute favorite powder to set my makeup. I am using a bigger mirror because I feel like I couldn't see properly with the little one. Now I'm going to contour my face using my NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette, and I'm going to be using this shade over here. I'm going to be sculpting my cheekbones, making sure that they pop. As well as my forehead. And now I'm going to be contouring my nose with a smaller brush. Now I'm going to move on to blush, and I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Color Icon Mellow Wine Blush. I've really been enjoying this, and I feel like it's the dupe for MAC Gingerly. So if you are a beauty on a budget and you really enjoy MAC blushes, I really do feel like this is almost the same quality, if I wouldn't say better, but it's almost there, you know. So now I'm going to be sticking on my lashes. These are the Lily Lashes Mink So Extra Miami. You can get these from Skins Cosmetics in Santon. Absolutely love these lashes. And I've used them a couple of times, so the shape is not that great anymore. But I still managed to wear them because the quality is so great. Okay, so I'm going to go back in with my number 14 brush again. I did clean it a bit, and now I'm just going to wet it, and I want to go in with a little bit more of a brighter gold. So I'm using my Tarte Pro palette, and this is the shade Glam. I'm going in with that shade. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's the shade over here. And I'm going to put that right in the center of the gold that we already have here. I don't know if it's going to make much of a difference, but that's the whole point of wearing makeup, is to play around, right? I'm just hoping that I don't get fall out on my lashes. Okay. Now I'm just going to go back in with my the brush that I was using to put on the olive green, and I'm just going to blend out any gold that there is on the sides, like so. I'm also just going to go over my lashes because I know that there's probably fallout on them, and I hate how that looks. So now I'm going to move on to my lower lash line, and I'm just going to be using a two smaller, more defined brushes. I'm first going to go in with the bigger one, and I'm going to be using the mustard as well as the burgundy shade first, and then I'm gonna go in with the darker green. You just want to focus this color on the lash line and just blend it a little bit down. So don't be afraid to smoke it out. Just don't take it too low, otherwise you're going to look like you got beat up. I'm just going to go in with a cleaner brush and I'm just going to blend right at the bottom there just to make sure that there's no harsh lines and that the eyeshadow didn't get caught up in any of the creases. Now I'm going to go in with, what is the green shade again? Enchanted, which is what we used on the inner and outer part of our lids. And I'm just going to blend that on my lash line with a much more smaller defined brush. Unfortunately, these brushes don't have names, specifically these, because I got them in my kit when I was still studying makeup. So I don't even know where you guys can order them, to be quite honest. Guys, I need to tell you guys about these mascaras. These mascaras are to die for. They are amazing. You literally need to get your hands on them. These are from L'Oreal Paris. This one is waterproof. This is the Paradise Ecstatic Waterproof Mascara, and this is the normal one. They both have volumizing and lengthening properties or benefit. So I'm going to be using the normal one. I'm not going to use the waterproof because I don't really like struggling to get my makeup off, and I don't think I'll be crying, so I don't really need waterproof. I love the packaging as well. Like, how stunning is this rose gold? Ugh, obsessed. I love just how the bristles get into your lash hairs so easily, and the product gets distributed on as well, and you don't have to go over with the mascara a million times for you to see a difference. And I'm also just going to blend my natural lashes with my falsies here at the top. I wouldn't recommend this. I'd recommend that you actually put on your mascara before you put on your lashes, because you're just making your life more difficult, because now you have to clean your lashes after every use. Which you should, because you want to take off the glue either way. So now I'm going to move on to highlighter, and I'm going to be using one of my favorite highlighters at the moment, and this is the Dior Skin Nude Air Luminizer, and it is in the shade 001. And I'm just going to be highlighting the places I would usually highlight. I'm just going to be highlighting the bridge of my nose, as well as my cupid's bow and cheekbones, as well as my brow bone. I like to blend with my finger as I go along, because I don't like it when my highlighter looks like a straight line. Now I'm going to go in with a fan brush for my cheekbones. Literally love this highlighter. I'm so obsessed with this eye makeup. When I first started out, I was like doubting myself, and now I'm feeling like the girl. I feel like I've done the things that need to be done. I've made the pots. I'm just also gonna highlight my brow bone before I forget. And I'm also gonna highlight my inner corners using my highlighter right by my tear duct. I'm gonna put on too much. Girl. Now I'm gonna do my lips, and I'm gonna be using this lipstick from, actually I don't know if I should use this one or should I use my what should I use? Should I go for a glassy lip? I think I should do a glassy lip, hey. Let me just swatch these and see. It's too purple. I don't know, I think I'm gonna go in with this. So now I'm gonna go in with my NYX Liquid Suede cream lipstick in the shade Soft Spoken, and this is sort of like it's a darker nude than the nude I used in the summer party glam video, so it's like a pinkier nude, and I don't know if I want to ombre it out with a darker color, but I don't think I should. Let me just put this one on and see how I feel about it. Yep, I think I'm happy with this. I don't think I want to ombre it out. And this is like the perfect nude for if you have dry, flaky lips as well, because it's not uncomfortable, kind of matte. So now I'm going to set my face using my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Spray. Ooh, child. Okay guys, I'm gonna go fix my hair and change out of this, and I'll be back to show you guys the final product. So this is the final look, loves. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys want to find out which products I use on my face, they're all going to be listed down below in the description box, as well as a direct link to Foreo's website so you guys can get any additional information on the cleansing device. Please don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up. Comment down below and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah!